Let's be on the safe side. The wave is a little high. We'll put the jacket on. No, it's not worth it. The wave is giant. This is nuts. Okay, look at that wave. That's too much.
Kayak.
That's the problem. I can't pull them without flipping.
No, we were just casting the shore. Looks like there's some bird activity, but nothing close. You guys are probably just better off going out.
If we record the whole thing, we'll see. We got no paddle. But okay, I forgot something already. What's the matter?
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, here we go again. Beautiful morning. It's hard to come by every weekend when we're fishing in New England. Very hard. This will be this guy's second time on a nice day today. Still wavy though.
Okay.
But hey, the water is getting colder. It's okay. Damn, I'm already feeling seasick because I think we drank last night. I love my shit. I love my shit. So light. Very light. Look at that. What a pro. That's it, guys. Just like so. Woo. Just like so. And I'm off. Oh, I forgot my sunglasses. I knew it. I bought this thing is for the next 2 weeks in a vacation. I'm hoping that it'll work right. I don't really know how to use the 360 yet. They have an app, and that's something, it's an extra work, but it's gonna be good. And I'm gonna try this position instead of my hat. It's easier for me to change the battery for the GoPro angle. Even though the 360, you can see the whole thing, but it's my first time, so I don't wanna miss any catch for you guys to see. Boy, that sun is killing me. I didn't bring the sunglasses, darn it. All right, there's so much stuff that you have to read. It's not easy being a content guy. It's already hot. It's already hot. So much stuff that I have to bring and try not to forget. I end up sometime I always forget, like today I forget my paddle. It's all right, lucky it's a high tide, doesn't matter. I mean, it's still be done. That's the least thing I need to worry about. But if something happened with the drive, then I'm screwed. But I got the boys to help me out. That's why I try not to do it alone. I like sometimes it's nice and quiet to go fish, but having a partner is important for safety wise. You know, things can go wrong real quick. But today, the wind and the wave, according to the weather, is about 2 feet, 2.1. But the wind is like 7 miles an hour, which is cool. I can see that it's calm here is in the inlet, but going out there might be a little choppy. We'll see. This lynx is pretty stable. I feel very, very safe here, but knock on wood, you know, nothing yet. If I ever go out like last time with harsh weather, I have to put the outrigger. But yeah, I can feel the heat already. It says that the temperature is picking up. By the time I get over there, I probably end up taking my sweater off. It's gonna be hot, yeah. It's a bunch of kayak over there. Yeah, the wave will start picking up, guys. I ain't kidding about 2 feet of wave. Let's be on the safe side. The wave is a little high. We'll put the jacket on. For my wife. Wavy, it's not windy.
Now here where it happened that we didn't even get start the fish yet. Our buddy flipped the kayak. Just the beginning. We still didn't really train on how to do this yet, and I'm sure he's right now it's in October. The water is roughly around maybe still in the 60 degrees, but it doesn't matter. We need to get him out fast. I'm trying to figure out how we're supposed to do this. Wasn't trained for this yet. I'm sure my buddy is panicking, so we try to do it and do it fast. I'm gonna apologize ahead of time. This is gonna be some foul language in here, but I'm not gonna even try to cut the tape because this might be a lesson for other people or any viewer to watch this, what to do and what not to do. So there's gonna be a little bit of miscommunication here and there, but eventually, you know, we will save our buddy.
Fuck. I don't even know how to flip you back without me flipping. Come. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Oh no. Okay, no. Take that thing out of your face so you can breathe. Wow.
All you gotta do is
What are you doing, Nelson?
I can't do much with the outrigger. I can't get close.
You have to.
And do what?
Come over here so that this won't flip, or try to hold me, it won't flip.
Yeah, I gotta come that side then, because
So I can try to flip them back. I need you to hold me.
I know I can't get too close with the outrigger.
It's okay. Hold on, stay. It's cold. The water's cold. I need you to hold my kayak so it won't flip. And then I flip his kayak. You understand? Hold it here.
Come.
Oh my God. Come on, man. One? No, not yet. I can't flip you without me flipping.
Just stay like that for now and get close.
Stay calm, all right? Stay calm. Stay calm.
Can you put that away? Get closer now, right?
Stay calm. I got
Okay,
this. At least I got this. Okay. Stay and hold me. Hold me. Hold right here. Don't hold me. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
There we go.
That's all I need is that, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, don't do that. Don't do that yet. Don't do that yet. Don't do that yet.
Wait till your boat's stable first.
Wait until the boat's stable. Hold on. Don't do that yet. That's a bad situation. I need your hand. And the wave too. I need your hand. Let me put my feet here. 1 second. Don't pull yet, all right? Nelson, I need your hand. 1, 2, 3. That a boy. That a boy. Oh, hold on. Do that. Hold on. Give me your hand. Oh, fuck me in a bag of chips. This cannot be any better on the YouTube channel. Is that LL?
Yeah. LL.
Bro, are you okay?
You up? Are you back up?
Fuck me. All right, you lose anything?
Yeah, he has his outrigger too. I think tackle box. Let's go. We can get it off. Just get your net out. Huh?
You have your outrigger in the car?
Yeah.
Okay, go out back and put the outrigger.
Give me your net.
And change your.
Hold on, I'm gonna go around. Give me that.
What the fuck is that? Is that your rod? Yeah, hold on. You're good now, so. Oh, that's a buoy. Shit. Oh my God. Keep it up like that, Sydney would never let you fish again.
Oh shit!
Fucking, I'm not gonna put that on YouTube. At least your wife won't know. Oh my God, Steve.
Come over here, Steve. Huh? No, paddle over here. You go fish all your stuff back. Oh, look.
Yeah, let me go fish all your stuff back. Oh, Bong Chewy.
Over there.
The rod's gone, bro.
Huh?
The rod's gone.
The rod?
This one's not working, but I let you use the other one, okay? Guys, that wasn't funny. Oh boy, it's not safe. Waves are very, very big. and yeah, this is not the place to be. Our buddy just flipped, but then just like that, it flipped. He flipped. So lucky we were here, and we were able to manage to flip the boat. You can see it, and able to pick him back up. Guys, do not attempt. I'm right now. I wish I brought my outrigger. I would feel that much more comfortable to fish. And up to seeing LL fisherman here. He's one of the YouTube too. He able to pick up all this crap stuff. I don't know if we should fish and continue fishing, but it is 2-hour drive. Is it worth it? I don't know. That's something I'm gonna have to calculate later. The wave 2 feet is a little choppy. You have the outrigger, everything will be good. I'm gonna try to throw 1 or 2 and see if the fish bite. Again, I have to pay attention on my surrounding with the wave. Being knock on wood, guys. Okay, I'm out of here. No, it's not worth it. The wave is giant. This is nuts. Okay. No, it's not worth it. Let's go back. It's not worth it, guys. Sorry. Look at that wave. That's too much. Gotta make a decision. I'm making it. I don't have the outrigger. If I have the outrigger, maybe, but no, it's not worth it. Well, we are gonna try. We decided, so he's okay. I think he's changed already. We're gonna go try the other side, the left side of the place. We're gonna give it a shot since we're already here. Okay, all right. As I kind of feel bad, there's barely any wave over there. We'll find out when we get close to the rock. So he says he's okay. He had a change. Oh yeah. Oh, that a boy. That a boy. Been weeding out all the small one. What do you got? Oh yeah. That's a jeeper. At least 17. If not 16. Here's some bite. Huh? Yeah, I believe him. Got him. Oh, there's a big one. Oh yeah. Steve, there's a big one over here. All right, that's a keeper. Yep, at least 16. Oh, heavy, but we won't know. 16 and a half. Keeper? Keeper. 16 is a keeper. 16 and a half is for sea bass. Let's keep fishing, boys. I think Nelson hit the honeycomb area where they hang out. And that's it. Nelson. Look at how baby. Oh shit. Damn. Oh. Yeah, that's a keeper. Oh. Yeah, we found the honeycomb. Nelson found the honeycomb, guys. Gotta give him some kind of credit. I know. I gotta get out of here. The wave is just too strong. Steve, right there. Stay on to your right of Nelson. Just go ahead. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on. Don't lose that. That's a big one. Feel like a big one. Come on. What do you got? Get your net ready when you get top. I hope it's not a buoy. Oh, it's a fish. Oil. Oil. Huh? Nope. I just cut some crab.
Still active right
Mm-hmm. You ain't kidding.
Ah!
You ain't kidding.
Oh, Steve was just right there. How's it feel? How's it feel?
Oh, keeper.
Let me see. Yeah?
Might be 16.
Flag, so that's it.
Oh, might be 16. 16. It's a possibilities. $17.
What? Oh,
Wait.
See?
Yep. Bumble Cloud, he got a keeper. Bumble, oh, look at that drag, dude. Yo, Nelson, you better be fucking 20, bro.
It probably is. Oh yeah, it's a monster.
That's a monster. No, come over here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Two monsters. Two monsters.
Oh, that's a huge one, boy. Woo.
That's bigger than this one.
Woo, right here.
Hey, and stuff. Catch that.
Oh, they biting. They are biting.
That's what I say.
Hey, just hook on to him if you want to stay still. Oh, hell no. Damn, that's choppy. Look at that. Sure, it's not a moving current. Oh yeah. Oh, I need chồng thấu mẹ. Anh ấy trong trôi. Anh ấy thấu mẹ. Oh man. Joy, anh ấy thấu mẹ. Oh yeah, it's a keeper. Oh. Oh. That's a keeper. Oh yeah. 17. Yeah. Done. Big one, baby. Now then. Yeah. All right. He ain't kidding. He said it eat. Sure did. Shown up. Oh no. You know what I forgot, Nelson? That's all I've been doing is forget. 19. That'll work. That'll work. Fix that line. You're gonna snag. What the fuck is that?
Put the sinker in there.
I think I got 217, 119, 118, and 116. Yeah. 217, not 216. 118, 119, that's it.